Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial hacks to help you make the most of your money in 2025. Today's video is all about a hot topic: how to get cash off your credit card without a cash advance. If you've ever needed quick cash but dreaded those sky-high fees and interest rates that come with cash advances, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore some smart alternatives that could save you a bundle. First off, why avoid cash advances? They often charge fees up to 5% of the amount plus immediate high interest rates that can make your wallet weep. Instead, let's look at option 1, balance transfers. Many credit cards offer promotional balance transfer deals where you can move debt from one card to another at a low or 0% APR for a limited time. Here's the trick. In 2025, some cards let you transfer to a bank account indirectly. Check for cards with no transfer fees and use it to pay off high interest debt, effectively freeing up cash without the advance penalty. Next up, buying prepaid debit cards or gift cards. Simply use your credit card to purchase a prepaid card at a store or online, then withdraw cash from an ATM. It's a roundabout way, but it works. For example, load a Visa or MasterCard gift card and convert it to cash at participating locations. Pro tip: watch for any purchase fees, as they can eat into your savings. Another clever method is leveraging peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo or PayPal. Fund your account with your credit card, then request money back from a friend or use it for services that pay you out in cash. In 2025, with enhanced digital wallets, this is smoother than ever. Just ensure your card doesn't flag it as a cash equivalent to avoid fees. Lastly, consider credit card rewards or cashback programs. Some cards allow you to redeem points for direct deposits or checks. Always read the fine print to confirm it's not treated as a cash advance. Remember, these methods aren't foolproof and could still incur interest if not paid off quickly, so use them responsibly. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more 2025 finance tips, and drop a comment below on your favorite cash-saving hack. Thanks for watching. Let's keep building that financial freedom together.